Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by using simple positioning and a quick check. Tilt your head 45 degrees toward the affected side so gravity can start doing the work. Once done, cup your palm over the ear and press gently to create a seal, then remove it quickly. This often pulls water out. Make sure to dry the outer ear with a towel. Avoid inserting cotton swabs because they push fluid deeper and can irritate the ear canal. Now move to active maneuvers that change pressure and reshape the canal. Pinch your nose, close your mouth, and gently blow. This Valsalva-style action can open the eustachian tube and let trapped fluid escape. Next, tilt the head with the ear facing down and gently jiggle or hop on one foot to combine motion with gravity. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. If water still lingers, use a hair dryer on low, held about 30 cm away, warming air for 30 to 60 seconds to evaporate moisture. To finish, consider drying and disinfecting the canal. Mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and white vinegar, place 3 to 4 drops into the ear, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then tilt to drain. Alcohol helps evaporate water and vinegar reduces bacterial growth. Make sure to stop if you feel pain or notice discharge. If the ear stays blocked for more than 48 hours or symptoms worsen, seek medical care. And if home methods fail, a clinician can safely remove trapped fluid with suction or microsuction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.